Hello students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine, doing great at your homes. So students, in yesterday's video, I have already explained you about monomials, binomials, trinomials and polynomials, and I have also explained you about factors, variables, constants and coefficients. So in today's video, I will be explaining you about addition of algebraic expressions. And I am going to take the examples from your maths book only so that you can sit along with your book and then watch the video so that it is very easy to understand. Okay? If I will be taking other examples, it will be a little bit difficult for you to understand. So, 5x square minus 7x plus 3 has to be added with minus 8x square plus 2x minus 5 and one more algebraic expression, 7x square minus x minus 2. So in total, how many algebraic expressions do we have? We have 1, 2, 3. How many algebraic expressions do we have? 3 algebraic expressions. Now, all the 3 algebraic expressions, how many terms are there in this algebraic expression? 1, 2, 3. 3 terms are there. This is also having how many terms? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So each and every algebraic expression of this question is a trinomial and polynomial. Because if an algebraic expression is having more than one term, that is a binomial, polynomial, trinomial, polynomial, quadrinomial and polynomial. And yes, whenever you will get the options, you will get only one option. Either you will get polynomial or you will get binomial, trinomial or quadrinomial as per the number of terms given in the question. You are not going to get both the answers in the option because both are correct. Okay. Now let me add this for you. So how will we add these 3 algebraic expressions? Since all the 3 algebraic expressions are different, we will keep each and every algebraic expression in a bracket. Plus minus 8x square plus 2x minus 5, again plus within bracket 7x square minus x minus 2 and bracket closed. So once you will open the bracket, you have to remember and recall the rules which I have explained you in the chapter integers. Because once you will open the bracket, this first algebraic expression, it is not having any sign before the bracket. And I have told you bracket means multiplication. What does bracket means? Bracket means multiplication. So bracket के बाहर कुछ नहीं है. So that is why I am not multiplying anything over here. So it will be simply written like this, 5x square minus 7x plus 3. Now but coming to this one, bracket के बाहर आपको क्या दिख रहा है? There is one addition sign outside the bracket. Now this addition sign will be multiplied by each and every term of this algebraic expression. Plus minus minus. So it will be minus 8x square plus plus plus. So it will be 2x plus minus minus. So it will be minus 5. Done with the multiplication. You have to understand each and every step carefully. Okay, the next step. Again plus plus plus. So plus 7x square plus minus minus. So minus x plus minus minus. So minus 2. That is the final multiplication. Now what we have to do? Now we have to separate like terms and unlike terms. You are going to write all the like terms together and unlike terms together. So 5x square, what is the like term for 5x square? The like term for 5x square is, what are like terms? Firstly, you have to reply to me in the comment section, what are like terms? Very good students. Like terms are the terms having same literal factors. Same literal factors means same variable factors. So 5x square, it is having the same literal factor as 8x square. So minus 8x square, one more x square is there, plus 7x square. Kept all the like terms together. Now the next step, minus 7x. So minus 7x, now other terms having the same literal factors, 7x and then plus 2x and then minus x. Okay, all the x together. Now last step, we have to keep all the constants together. So plus 3, minus 5 and minus 2. See, I have kept all the like terms together, x square, x square, x square, x, and then all the constants. Now let me rub this in order to proceed further. Okay students, now since this is also having x square, this is also having x square, and this term is also having x square, so we can take x square common. Either you can take x square common or you can solve directly as per the BODMAS rule. So as per the BODMAS rule, addition is done first. Okay. So 5 minus 8, if you are going to start from extreme right, either you can solve from here or you can solve from here. So minus 8 plus 7 is minus 1 and 5 minus 1 is 4. And here if you are solving from this side, 5 minus 8 is minus 3 and minus 3 plus 4. 5x square minus 8x square will be minus 3x square, and then this plus 7x square will be left, plus minus minus and sign of the greatest number. So 7 minus 3 is 4. So finally, what is the final answer? It is 4x square. Okay. I hope you must have understood. Either you can take common as it is given in your book. I am not taking common because this process is I think easy. That is also easy. This is also easy. So it's totally up to you. In which you are comfortable, you have to use that method. So minus 7x plus 2x. So plus minus minus, sign of the greatest number. 7 minus 2 is minus 5. So now what is remaining over here? Minus 5x and then this minus x. Now minus minus plus. So 5 plus 1. If there is a simple variable written like this, there is no coefficient for that variable. I have explained you, minus x is written, so the coefficient will be 1. So it will be treated as minus 5x minus 1x. अगर उसके आगे कोई digit नहीं दिया है तो by default 1 will be the coefficient of that particular variable. Okay. So minus minus plus and sign of the greatest number. So finally here it will be minus 6x. Okay students. Now the last one. Let me rub this. 3 minus 5 is minus 2 because sign of the greatest number plus minus minus, and minus 2 is minus 4 because minus minus plus, but sign किसकी लगती है? Minus की लगती है. I hope you must have understood how to add the algebraic expression. Let me explain you the next example also. So students, the next example is add 3x square. Let me write it for you first of all. 3x square minus 1 upon 5x plus 7 upon 3 bracket closed plus minus 1 by 4x square plus 1 upon 3x minus 1 upon 6 bracket closed. Okay. And last one plus within bracket minus 2x square minus 1 by 2x plus 5. This seems to be a little bit complicated because it is having the terms in the form of fractions. But yes, once we will start solving, it will also be very easy. Okay. So firstly, the first step is to open the brackets. So 3x square minus 1 by 5x plus 7 by 3. Since there is no sign given over here, by default we have to consider positive. तो जब आप multiply करेंगे plus plus minus minus and plus plus plus. Coming to this one, plus minus minus. So plus plus plus, plus minus minus, here plus minus minus, plus minus minus, plus plus plus. So we have written all the terms, we have opened the bracket. The first step is to open the bracket. Okay. Now what will be the next step? The next step is to write all the like terms together. So 3x square, it is having the same coefficient as 3x square minus 1 by 4x square minus 2x square. All the x squares together. Now coming to the x ones. Minus 1 by 5x plus 1 by 3x minus 1 by 2x. Okay students, all the x together. Last one, all the constants, plus 7 by 3 minus 1 by 6 plus 5. All the constants together. Now let me rub this. All the like terms are written together. Now what will be the next step students? Either you have to take x square common, or you will simply take the LCM of the terms. Since it is not having any denominator, by default consider 1 as the denominator. Now what is the LCM of 1 and 4? The LCM of 1 and 4 is 4. So 1 has to be multiplied by 4. Same goes with the numerator. तो जब आप 3 को 4 से multiply करेंगे, it will be 12x square minus 1x square, and here also it has to be multiplied by 4. So once you will multiply 2 by 4, it will be 2 4s are 8, so minus 8x square. Now the denominator is same, so upon 4. Okay, now this one. Next step, minus 1 upon 5x plus 1 by 3x minus 1 by 2x. So 5, 3 and 2. What is the LCM of 5, 3 and 2? The LCM of 5, 3 and 2 is 30. Okay students. So first let me solve this part, then I will solve that part. Okay. So 12x square minus 1x square. It will be 11x square. Now 11x square minus 8x square. It will be 3x square. क्या होगा आपका यहाँ पे? 3x square upon 4. So we have solved this part. Now we have to solve that part. Now let me rub this. Okay. I will solve one by one so that you understand well. Now we have to solve this part. So LCM of 5, 3 and 2 is 30. So 5 has to be multiplied by 6 in order to make it 30. So 1 has to be multiplied by 6. तो ये हो जाएगा आपका minus 6x. 3 has to be multiplied by 10. So it will be plus 10x. 2 has to be multiplied by 15. So it will be minus 15x. So the denominator is 30. Here we have made the denominator same. Now we will solve this part. Minus 6 plus 10 is plus minus minus sign of the greatest number. So minus 6 plus 10 is 4x. Now 4x minus 15x. Plus minus minus and sign of the greatest number. So 4x minus 15x is minus 11x. So here it will be minus 11 upon 30x. We have solved this part also. All the coefficients of x have been solved. Now coming to the constant part. It is not having any denominator, make it 1. What is the LCM of 3 and 6? The LCM of 3 and 6 is 6. Now to make it 6, 3 has to be multiplied by 2. तो आप 7 को जब 2 से multiply करेंगे, it will be 14 minus 1, and 5 has to be multiplied by 6 because 1 has to be multiplied by 6. So 30 upon 6. Now 14 minus 1 is 13, and 13 plus 30 is 43. So the final answer here will be 43 upon 6 plus 43 upon 6. So I hope you must have understood about addition of algebraic expressions. In the next video, I will be explaining you about subtraction of algebraic expressions. So students, if you have understood, please like the video, and if you have any problem, any queries, comment down in the comment section. Bye bye. Take care.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.